trip from Tacloban City to Bato and then Bato, Ubay. I wasn't able to vlog earlier, but anyway, I'll be checking in here at Laz Hotel. This is one of the nice hotel according to reviews here at Ubay. So we're gonna check it out and we're gonna check the rooms as well. Let's go. Alright, so we just got our key, our room key. We are in room... Actually, why am I saying we? It's only me. My room is room 28, so we're gonna check it out. This is it. I have read they have a pool, so we're gonna check that out as well. I think that's the one. Oh, it's ready. Alright. It smells good. That's a check. Yeah, it smells good. It's ready. This is the bed, which is... And they have a window looking out. They have a ceiling fan. They have AC, of course. I think they have another... oh, okay. They have another window here. And of course, the restroom. Seems functional. They have hot water, cold water, and very decent, I would say. Very decent. So, yeah. Oh, they have food here now, so I'm hungry. I like that. Gonna get out. Maybe we're gonna check the place. We're gonna check the hotel. And I'm actually hungry, so we need to find something to eat this morning. So let's go. Alright, so they have a pool. They have a pool for adults and kids. That's nice. So they have a kiddie pool and they have a pool. That's nice. Price, I would say price is okay. Price is okay. It's a bit expensive because it's not, this place is not really seedy per se. However, it's a good price because the room is okay, the room was okay, and then we also have swimming pools in Tacloban, if I'm gonna compare this place, I think this is like Villa Amor in somewhere in Kaibaan. However, their price range is a little bit like cheaper. There was this time in 2022, 2023 maybe, we have a room that starts at around 500 pesos, 400 pesos. But nowadays, it's 800 pesos. They also have the same like ambient with the room, but their room is way better though. But they have the same size of the room. They also have a pool with the Villa Amor. They also have a pool. And they have cottages as well. So, yeah, it's a good price. A restaurant here. That's nice. This is a good business, right? There's the hotel, and then you have a restaurant where you can buy food and you can eat food, I think. So they also have like a restaurant inside. Yeah, this is like an all-in-one business. Nice. They also have like air-conditioned restaurant inside, and they also have like a carinderia turo outside. That's nice. This is a very good business because, you know, if you are in a hotel, of course you're gonna be eating food. If you have a pool and people will be swimming, you don't need to prepare food. You're just gonna order and buy it from there. The main town. I will try to visit my aunt if they are still there. If they are there, maybe they went somewhere. So we're just gonna walk and see things around here.